Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the enchanting world of the CUTEBEE DIY Miniature Dollhouse Kit, a delightful project perfect for both teens and adults who love crafts and miniatures. This kit is not just a toy but a collectible piece or a charming home decoration once completed, featuring high-quality materials and precisely cut wooden pieces that fit together seamlessly. With realistic LED lights, plants, and furniture, this kit offers a rewarding challenge, especially for first-time builders, and makes for a thoughtful gift that you can personalize by assembling it yourself. The package includes a printed sheet and an English manual with detailed, colored pictures to guide you step by step, and you can even find YouTube tutorials by searching Dollhouse to help you along the way. Before you start, remember to have some silicone liquid glue and 2 AAA batteries on hand, as these are not included due to shipping restrictions. Rest assured, each kit is carefully inspected to ensure all parts are included, and if you encounter any issues, the customer service team is ready to assist you promptly. So, if you're looking for a creative and relaxing project, the CUTEBEE DIY Miniature Dollhouse Kit might just be the perfect choice for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.